Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a timesheet for a specific project. This helps you track exactly how many hours your team has spent on that project. First, go to the project where you want to track attendance or time. Click on Project Management, and then select Time Tracking. Here, you can see how many hours your team members have worked on this project so far, how many hours have been logged, and how much of that time has been converted into expenses. For example, if someone spends time working on site, they can log it in the timesheet. As an admin, you also have the option to convert those hours into project expenses. You'll be able to see the total cost and the amount converted into expenses right here. You can also view all employees who have submitted timesheets for this project. Now, before we create a timesheet manually, let me quickly explain how users can log their time. Users can either enter their timesheets manually, or they can check in using face recognition through the mobile app. To enable that, go to the project location settings. Here, you can pin the exact site location on the map. And set a radius. This means that when a site engineer or project manager enters that specific radius, they'll be able to check in using face recognition. You'll also need to enable time tracking in the mobile app settings. If you want to use QR-based check-ins, you can enable that as well. For each location, a QR code will be generated. You can download it, print it, and place it at your project site. When your site engineer enters the location radius, they simply scan the QR code and complete face recognition. That's it, their check-in is recorded. Now let's go back and create a timesheet manually. Click on Create Timesheet. Select the employee name and choose the date for which you want to log the time. If a shift has already been assigned to that user, it will appear here automatically. Next, enter the start time, when they arrived at the site, and the end time, when they left. If they took a break during the day, click Add Break Time and enter the break duration. You can also enter the work type. For example, site visit. And add the cost amount if needed. You can set the cost rate based on hours, days, or weeks, depending on how you manage your billing. Scroll down and add a description of what work was completed that day. If you have site photos or any supporting images, you can upload them here as well. Once everything is filled in, click Create. Now the timesheet has been successfully created for that user. As an admin, you can click the Action button and choose to edit, delete, or directly convert the timesheet into an expense. Once converted, it will automatically reflect in your Bills and Expenses section. You can also see whether the timesheet was created manually or recorded through the mobile app. So that's how you can track working hours, either manually through the system or automatically using face recognition and QR check-in. This makes it very easy to monitor how many hours your employees are working on each project and keep your project costs under control. That's it for this video. Thank you.